In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a payment with Ubersuggest. Whether you've decided to move on to another tool or simply want to manage your subscriptions, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure everything is clear and straightforward. To begin, you'll need to visit the Ubersuggest website. Head over to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter the correct email and password associated with your account to avoid any hiccups. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select either Account Settings or Subscription, depending on how it's labeled on your screen. This section is where you can manage all aspects of your account, including your active subscriptions. Now let's locate your subscription details. Within the Billing or Subscription section, you'll see information about your current plan, whether it's monthly, yearly, or a lifetime subscription. This is an important area, as it gives you an overview of your current commitments with Ubersuggest. Once you've found your subscription details, look for the option to cancel. You'll need to click on Cancel Subscription, or sometimes it might read Manage Billing, depending on the interface updates. Follow the prompts provided to confirm your cancellation. You might need to reaffirm your decision a couple of times throughout the process, so just be attentive to the on-screen instructions. Here's a useful tip. If you initially subscribe to Ubersuggest through Google Play or the Apple App Store, you'll need to manage the cancellation through your App Store subscriptions page instead of on the Ubersuggest website. This is a common scenario with app-based subscriptions, and keeping this in mind can save you from any unnecessary confusion. Finally, once you've completed the cancellation steps, keep an eye on your email inbox. You'll receive a confirmation email stating that your payment or subscription has been successfully canceled. This email serves as a record of your cancellation and can be useful if you need to verify the termination date or policy. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your Ubersuggest payment or subscription. Remember, managing your subscriptions is an important part of personal budgeting and digital life management, so you're taking a great step in being proactive about it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.